The Northern Virginia Housing Expo is going to be this Saturday, March 16th from 10 to 2:30 at the Mary Ellen Henderson Middle School in the City of Falls Church. It's right outside the West Falls Church Metro, easy to get to, a lot of parking. The event is presented by all the jurisdictions within Northern Virginia. And the purpose of the event is to showcase both rental and homeownership opportunities, affordable housing opportunities in all of the different jurisdictions. We are going to have 60 vendors there. The vendors will include booths by all the jurisdictions. There will be nonprofit agencies there that deal with housing, both counseling and providing housing opportunities. There will be nonprofit developers there. There will be bankers there. There will be realtors there. So it's a great opportunity to do a one-on-one consultation. But I think more importantly, we're going to have workshops there. And these workshops are 45-minute workshops, and they will deal with are you ready to rent? Are you ready to buy? Or how is your credit? What do you need to improve your credit? There'll be workshops that deal with senior topics like reverse mortgages and what do I need to do to stay in my house in terms of modifications. There will be a workshop on foreclosure and short sales, and there'll be an energy efficient workshop. All of these events provide valuable information to people who are in the housing market looking for affordable housing opportunities.